I'm Daniel, a product specialist at Streamstar. In the first part of today's video, I will guide you through Streamstar's integrated camera control, and in the second part, I will cover the remote camera synchronization feature since it is relevant to camera control. The camera control functionality allows a single operator to control supported JVC cameras and NDI cameras remotely over IP directly from Streamstar's user interface. The remote camera synchronization feature is a JVC exclusive technology, fully integrated in the Streamstar live production software. It allows precise synchronization of IP signals used as Streamstar inputs. If you've ever ventured into remote production over IP, you know that synchronization of remote IP signals is a serious issue. But thanks to the close collaboration between Streamstar and JVC, there is a solution which is proven, tested, and it works like a charm. Another good reason why Streamstar and JVC cameras are the best choice for any remote live production situation. So let's get started. Access the camera control module by clicking on the camera control tab in the settings area menu. Select the vision mixer channel where you will be using the IP camera. In the camera control pane, under the IP Connect tab and the camera control section, use the drop-down menu to tell the system whether to control a JVC camera or an NDI camera. The system will automatically discover all IP cameras available on the network. If you choose to control a JVC camera, the next column displays the settings needed to connect to it. Under Network Devices, use the drop-down menu to select the JVC camera you want to use and fill in your login credentials in the fields provided below. Click the Connect button in the next column to establish a connection. At bottom, you can choose if you wish to use the on-camera recording light as a tally light. In the Stream Settings tab, you can set up the PTZ camera streaming parameters if you're going to use the camera stream. When done, press Apply Changes, and after that, start streaming. Once the camera is streaming, press Set as Input at the bottom right. Now, the JVC camera stream appears in the live camera preview in Streamstar's user interface, and it can be used in your live production. If you choose to control an NDI camera, the settings look different. Use the drop-down menu in the next column to select an NDI camera available on the network. Once the camera is connected, click Set as Input to use the NDI signal in the current live camera channel. In the Cam Control tab, there are control elements to set up the image of the connected camera. When using a JVC camera, all settings are fully accessible. Controls provided are Full Auto Mode on-off switch, AE level, iris, gain, shutter, and white balance. With NDI cameras, you can control those parameters only, which are made available in the specific NDI camera model, and only those controls will be available in the interface. The next three tabs provide controls for zoom, focus, PTZ presets, and PTZ groups. PTZ presets and group presets is the topic of a separate, detailed tutorial, but since our focus today is on camera control in general, please refer to the PTZ and PTZ groups presets tutorial for more details. Now, let's talk about the IP signal synchronization. Transporting video IP packets across the internet introduces all kinds of latency problems due to network congestion or many other reasons. I'm sure you're well aware of that. This problem becomes even more apparent in a multi-camera production where all signals need to be in perfect sync to allow camera switching or any other vision mixer operation. The good news is there is technology that solves this problem nicely. Essentially, what's happening is that to each video frame in every IP video stream, there's a unique timestamp assigned. That is used to perfectly synchronize all IP signals. Of course, there's a lot more to it, but what's important is that this technology is fully integrated in the Streamstar live production software, which makes switching remote IP signals simple and easy. The IP input synchronization controls are found under General Settings in the Synchronization tab. The functionality is turned on or off by a synchronization input selector. The black numbered buttons represent all IP inputs. The dimmed buttons are inputs that are not IP and cannot be synchronized. By default, the sync button on top is active and highlighted in green. It allows instant selection of inputs for synchronization. Select the inputs to be synchronized by pushing the numbered buttons. Now click the master button and select an input, which will become the master signal. All others will synchronize to it. The master camera selected will be outlined in red. Now push the synchronize button and the system will synchronize all selected inputs. To stop the synchronization of remote IP signals altogether, press the Stop Sync button. Please note that JVC cameras to be synchronized need to send NTP data along with the stream. NTP stands for Network Time Protocol. Otherwise, it will not be possible to use them for synchronization. This needs to be set up in the camera itself. That's all there's to it. Controlling remote cameras over IP and switching synchronized IP cameras with Streamstar is simple and easy, and will make your remote live productions completely hassle-free. Please check out our other videos and learn more about Streamstar by visiting our website at streamstar.com. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.